welcome you to another interesting tutorial about 1688 shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to order and pay with your Alipay in a few minutes. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Idlefish, Pinduoduo, 1688, Taoba, or any Chinese e-commerce platform or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. With your Alipay on 1688, you can simply make a shopping without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to simply search for products from different suppliers. There are so many ways to search for products on 1688. You can simply scroll. The more you scroll right here, the more you see so many types of products. Or you can simply come to the top right there, type the name of the product you are looking for in the search engine right here. Alternatively, you can click on here to image search. Click on the camera icon. So when you click on the camera icon, it's open up like so. You can select the product picture sample, allow the 1688 to scan, and it's going to show you so many results as far as the image search is concerned. Then from here, you can choose any of the products link customers right here. So I'm going to click on this particular store right here. So having click on the product link, allow it to load up, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you can do here is to simply scroll down and check on the product detail from the store right here, just like what you see right here. And if you want to check more detail about the product, simply scroll down right here. You see detail about the product, and also you can click on here. This allows you to see all the detail of a particular product. Click on here, and in a few seconds you can see product detail right here. It's that simple. Now, once you are able to satisfy with the product detail, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. You can check on the product picture, graphics, or product video, as the case may be. The more you scroll down, the more you see product detail right here. However, this depends on the number of the product picture or video that has been uploaded by different supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Once you are satisfied with everything you see, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment with your Alipay. I'm going to click on here, and this is going to pump up. Right here, I need this particular blue color right here. I need it in 2 pieces. I'm going to click on here. So I need just 2, 1, 2, just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to payment with my Alipay. So right here, I enter my payment password. So payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to close this pump up. And I have to simply go back and then click on here to view my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just paid for with Alipay is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the blender right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how you can import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Taoba, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.